Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I want us to look at this platform called Shop OV. So right now, this is a new platform. This platform is less than 5 days right now. It's less than 5 days. So right now, guys, as you can see right up here, I have get about $43 now. I have about $43 now on the platform. Right now, I want to withdraw on this platform to know if they are paying or not. So guys, before I do that, let me first go to my Trust wallet and show you my balance there. As you can see on my Trust wallet, I have only 91 USDT there right now. 99 USDT. So as you can see it by yourself, this is 91 USDT. So right now, let me go back to the platform and withdraw and see if actually I will receive this money from this platform. Now click on withdraw. Before I do that, let me input my withdrawal address here, my USDT. Click on USDT management. Click on the plus sign. Then the name. You can enter your name here. Enter your name, your email, and your USDT wallet address here. So let me do that now. So guys, I have successfully added up my email and my wallet address there. So right now I want to withdraw, and let's see if actually this platform is paying. So right now click on withdrawal. Firstly, let me do this transaction password here. So right now I have input my transaction password, the one I will be using to withdraw. Click on submit. Now set successfully. So right now I have 43 USDT here. I want to withdraw everything. Let's see if I will actually receive it. So again, before I do that, try to read what is down here. Try to read it. The account balance is 30 USDT. Only everyone can activate the withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal amount is $1. So the minimum amount to withdraw is $1. So and right now I have $43. But for now, I don't know the reason why they put 13.51 right here. So maybe that is the only amount they want me to withdraw. So let me just withdraw that and confirm it. Click on confirm. Withdraw application is successful. So guys, right now let's see. Right now I'm withdrawing 13 point something. Yes, 13 point something dollars. Let's see if actually I will receive this money or not. Withdrawal in progress now. So guys, as you can see right now, it's right completed. As you can see, it's right withdrawal completed, and this is the amount I withdraw, 13.51. So right now, let me go back to my Trust wallet. As you can see before, on my Trust wallet, I only have 91 USDT there. So right now, let me see if actually I received this money or not. So I'm on my Trust wallet right now. As you can see, guys, I received the money. That platform is paying, guy. As you can see, I received the money. This is it right here. That is it right here. 13.51 dollars, 30.51 USDT. That is it, guy. As you can see, I received the money. So guys, that platform is paying. It's really paying. So let me introduce you to the platform very well and show you how to do it, how to go about it. So right now, this is how this platform work. For example, when you register, if you want to register on this platform, just check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. So when you register on this platform, on the home page right here, you will see their VIP, their plans. This is their investment plan. So when you invest $30, you will be getting $2 every single day, and this VIP one, you can invest on it in 10 times. You can invest on it 10 times if you want. So VIP 2 there, if you invest $100, you'll be getting $99 every day. $9 every day. VIP 3 here, if you invest $300, you will be getting $29 every day. VIP 4, if you invest $500, you'll be getting $50 every day. For the VIP 5 here, if you invest $1,000, you'll be getting $120 every day. So and so on. If you check the VIP 6, you will get, if you invest 3,000 naira, you'll be getting $380 every day. VIP 7, if you invest $5,000, you will be getting $600 every day. For VIP 8, the last VIP here, when you invest, let me do two. So when you invest $10,000, you'll be getting $1,500 every day. So that is how the platform is. And again, if you can also try your luck here. Just click on that, and from here you can roll something. You can roll and get either $10, $20, $40, 80, 99, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that dollars, depending on your luck. If your rolling click to this place, then your money will be around $0.1 or 0.02, $0.01. So that is it for there. And if you invite friends into this platform, the more friends you invite, the more lucky roll you will be getting. The more friends you invite. For example, as you can see up here, as you can see at the up here, you will see that number of draws is 0. That means I have used everything. So let's say you invite one person to this platform right now, you will see 1 here. If you invite like up to 2 people, you will see two rolls there. So that means you can roll for twice. You can roll for twice. So guys, and you can use this to make money also from the platform. When you get like $1, you can withdraw. Their minimum withdrawal on this platform is $1. So guys, try to take this opportunity, invest on this platform, or you can use the rolling. So those are the 2 ways you can make money from this platform. If you want to make quick money, you go for the investment by investing on the platform. But if you want it small, a little by with luck, then you can go for the lucky rolls here. So guys, this is how the platform work. If you want to register, just check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. Again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, try to subscribe now. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye.